Kartik Aryan's performances and the box office numbers of his films have made him the most sought after star of B-Town. The actor's much awaited film Dhamaka has finally been released on Netflix today. The intense action thriller follows the story of an anchor Arjun Pathak, essayed by Kartik Aryan, who finds himself sinking in the quicksand of deceit, loss, and trepidation after he is contacted by a terrorist who issues a threat to an entire city. The film also stars Mrunal Thakur and Amrita Subhash. The makers of the film had also organized several screenings of the film. On Friday, Kartik arrived at the Siddhivinayak temple to offer his prayers. The actor looked handsome in white shirt paired with denim. Kartik also posed and met his fans and paparazzi present there. The actor also took to his Instagram handle to share a picture of himself from the temple. Kartik captioned the post, "आज कान में सिर्फ thank you बोला, गणपति बप्पा मोरया. Feeling blessed with all the love coming from the industry. Can't wait for the fans to watch it. Dhamaka now live on Netflix." Actor Kartik Aryan has a jam-packed schedule in 2021. The actor recently wrapped up the first schedule of his film Shehzada. Kartik had shared a picture with director Rohit Dhawan on Instagram and wrote, "And that's a happy director because of me, schedule wrap Shehzada." The film Shehzada is produced by Bhushan Kumar, Allu Arvind and Aman Gill. The film also stars actress Kriti Sanon, Paresh Rawal, Manisha Koirala, Ronit Roy and Sachin Khedekar. The film's director Rohit, brother of actor Varun Dhawan, is once again collaborating with music director Preetham for the film's score. The film is all set for a November 4, 2022 release. Before Shehzada, Kartik Aryan wrapped up the shooting schedule of Freddy. The film stars Alaya F in an interesting character. The romantic thriller is directed by Shashank Ghosh. Freddy is jointly produced by Balaji Telefilms and Northern Light Films. Kartik's other acting project is Captain India. The film will be directed by Hansal Mehta. Captain India is produced by Ronnie Screwvala and Harman Baweja and is an action drama inspired by India's successful rescue missions from a war-torn nation. Kartik is currently awaiting the release of horror comedy Bhool Bhulaiya 2. The film is a standalone sequel to the 2007 hit Bhool Bhulaiya, which starred Akshay Kumar, Shiny Ahuja and Vidya Balan. Directed by Anis Bazmi and produced by Bhushan Kumar, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 is slated to release in cinemas on March 25. The film also stars Kiara Advani and Tabu in pivotal roles. INS report.